Do you guys see that green on my face today? This green comes from this huge bag of new makeup, and this is as big that I cannot literally fit into the screen. And thank you so much, Sephora, for gifting me majority of it. I really love trying all the new makeup, and some of it I've bought it myself as well from Sephora. And if you guys are new here, hello, this is Meherun and welcome to the weekend bonanza. So from now on I will be uploading 2 videos each week. On Saturday you will chill with me with the weekend bonanza, and on Tuesday, to get you through the week, I will get you a weekday survival. Please be sure to subscribe if you have not already. Enough rambling, let's try some new makeup. So the first thing that I'm going to put today on my face is a facial mist, and this is what I got as a gift from Sephora in that hamper. Focus. Yeah, this. So Clarins has launched this new line called My Clarins. It is a beauty mist. So this is how the bottle looks like, and it is a glass bottle, you guys, which means it is not travel friendly. And put it all over my skin. I want to check the mist first. Okay, it's not spitty. This beautifying fruity floral water preps your skin for day or night treatment, moisturizes and boosts its glow. Fresh and fast. Refresh is the ultimate quick fix for total hydration. Use morning and night after cleansing or over makeup to quench thirsty, dehydrated or sensitive skin. It smells really fresh and cooling on the skin. I love facial mist, guys. The next product that we have, this is a new launch in Sephora. This is how it looks like. This is this brand by this guy. His name is Samir something. I don't want to butcher his name. So this is the Instant Light Spray Makeup Base, and I have opened this before to see how the product looks like, and it looks incredibly beautiful. You guys just see. It's like, can you guys see that two-tone effect in the bottle? It is so pretty. So it is meant to be a spray, okay, and it is supposed to be a primer spray. But the only downside of this, I would say, is it spits on my face like really badly. Let me show you guys, like, see. Did you guys see that? It's like, it's beautiful, but the only thing is there is no way you can spray it on your face. This makeup base has an instant glow plumping and tightening effect. It also nourishes the skin and gives a natural glow. I don't know why, but my skin is burning a little bit. I think it is because of that primer. It says it has got glycerin, and sometimes glycerin tends to burn your skin. So there is one more skincare thing that I have got. This is what it is. This is the Glam Glow Powder Mud, and it is in the shade Birthday Suit. Look at this. It is so cute. It's like a round ball. And this is how the color is. It's like a very neutral color. So I'm gonna apply it on my lips to prep it. Oh, it smells minty. So now what I will do is I will give all these primers to sink onto my skin for some time while I will do my brows, and I will be right back. Why does all this mishap happens to me only? I don't like this. So I filmed all the details for the foundation and everything, and I realized the mic was not in place. I'm really sorry, guys. So quickly I want to tell you guys what foundation have I used. So this is the foundation that I've used today. This is the Gala L'Essential Natural Glow Foundation 16 Hour Wear SPF 20, and it says it hydrates and protects from pollution. So what intrigued me to try this foundation was it says it is not only a makeup, it has so many skincare benefits also into it. So I was like, let me give it a try for summer if I like it. I tried it on the store on my hand, but you know, the swatches on your hand doesn't really do a justice. So I gave it a try. I think it is quite a good shade match for me, and my shade is, where is the shade number? Amber. Wait, let me look into the bottle because I have just taken off the tag. My shade is 045N, and it is pretty good shade match for me. And the finish, I would say it is not entirely dewy, neither completely matte. It sits right in between. It is like beautiful satin finish, and I really like it. So yeah, let's move on to the concealer, as I do not have any new concealer, so I'm going to do those off camera and I will be right back. By no means this is a new product, but it is absolutely new to me and I'm as excited to try it with you. This is the Cover FX Custom Drops, Custom Enhancer Drops. I don't even know its full name, guys. And it is in the shade Sunlight. So before I apply it to my face, I want to show you guys how it looks like on the skin. Oh wow, this is beautiful. I think it looks a lot like my Iconic London Original Drops. And then I will pick it up with my beauty blender, then apply it on the very high points of my cheekbones. Oh, wow, that is pretty. But I think you need to work with it really fast. Otherwise, it has a tendency to set quite fast. But do you guys see that wet glow? Oh my goodness, it is beautiful. I don't know, highlight just makes me happy and pretty and beautiful. And I mean, I will find every other reason to glow like, I don't know, like what do I want to glow like? I just want to be glowing. So in that Sephora gift hamper, I got this cute little jar by NARS, and inside it there are these two tiny weeny, let me show you guys properly. Do you guys see how small it is? Like this is the size of my hand and this is the size of this. It is so cute, you guys. So there are two. So one is the Laguna Bronzer. Oh, I'm holding it upside down. So one is Laguna Bronzer and one is a highlighter, and it is called Fort de France. I think I'm pronouncing it right. I have tried this, guys, and I loved it, but I wanted to show you guys. So for the bronzer, I think it is a little too light for me, but let's see. The formula of these are beautiful. Yeah, I could easily go up with one shade darker. But you know, that is the issue with the skin tone that we have. My shade would be in Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk 6.5, right? So it is so difficult to find a perfect shade of bronzer. For this skin tone, it will be either too ashy or too muddy and reddish. Like, it is really difficult, guys. But then I have a few I really like, and I also like to mix in my bronzers. So yeah, the formula of these are beautiful, but not for me. Let's move on to the highlighting. This is how the highlighter looks like. and wait till you see how it looks on the skin. Like, what? It's like it blends with your skin like a butter. It looks like a second skin, guys. How come I have not discovered you? How come? Anyhow, thank you, Sephora. Because of you, I got to discover one new beautiful highlighter. Oh, I love it. I love it. Eyeshadow palette wise, I have got these two, kindly gifted by Sephora. So the packaging is really pretty. The most important thing for me was they are all neutrals, guys. Matte eyeshadows are always so versatile and so easy to use, and it goes with like everything. So let me create a very simple eye, and after that I will tell you guys my thoughts on these eyeshadows. All right, so I think I want to incorporate the both eyeshadow palettes. Let's see. So first I am starting off with this palette, and I will be taking a very neutral shade, which is this one right here. I have already prepped my eyelids with the MAC paint pot in Lianlo. That's like my go-to eyeshadow primer. I forgot to show you guys the Smashbox palette. So the Smashbox palette is like this. The shade range is very pretty. I mean, you can easily create very colorful eyes with it. So now I want to define the crease a little bit more. So for that I am using this shade, and after that I will use this shade. Now I want to get to the Smashbox palette. The green is so pretty. This is flippin' beautiful. And I want to use this silvery shade in the inner half. Do you guys see? Look at my hands. I mean, this is full excitement of trying new makeup. In the Smashbox, there is this grayish color. I want to pick it up and put it right in the outer corner, just to add a little more depth. I am impressed with both of these eyeshadow palettes, guys. They are gorgeous. I absolutely forgot to highlight my brow bones, guys. So I'm using the same highlight that I used on my face to highlight underneath my brows. All right. So now I think I will pop on some falsies because I will be taking some pictures after this, and I will be right back. The lashes are on, and today I have used this House of Lashes Iconic Light. They are pretty light and fluffy. I wanted to use a light lashes today so that I do not hide all those beautiful colors that we are playing with on our eyelid. Let's finish off the lower lash line, and for that I will be using the same colors that I've put on my crease. So this is how you create a very sultry colorful smoky eye. I really like how the way the colors and the eyeshadows have blended together. And now for the lips, I have not one, not two, but four new lipstick, you guys. These are all gifted by Sephora and they're all beautiful. So this one is by Lancome. This is the YSL, the Slim lipstick, which I really love. This is the Giorgio Armani one. These are called lip magnets, and this is the Sephora lip cream lip stain. So I only have one lip and I cannot wear all four lipsticks in one day, but I will show you guys the shades. So the first one is this Lancome one, and look at how adorable is the packaging. And do you know how to open it? It's like, just click it and this thing comes off. It is gorgeous. Look at the color. It is like absolutely my shade. It's like that perfect top up nude shade. The YSL one, oh, I have told you guys before how I love this, and just packaging, oh my god, YSL always get the packaging right. This is in the shade 21. There is no name in it, but the color, oh my god, look at the color, guys. Like, isn't it the most beautiful color? And the consistency of these are gorgeous, all right? So I think this is more like the Russian red, kind of reddish color. But I would love to wear this red, but then I would look like a Bangladeshi flag, which I do not want to look like today. And for the Giorgio Armani Lip Maestro Intense Velvet color, I have tried this, guys, and this formula is so velvety and smooth and very pretty. This is like that cherry red kind of color. So here it is, the Giorgio Armani one. So they are not completely matte, but they are like velvety textured. They are beautiful. And last but not the least, my favorite, this is this Sephora cream matte stain. I think that's what it's called. This is what it is. So first I'm lining my lips as usual with this Makeup Forever Artist, what is it called? Artist Color Pencil. And these pencils, you can use it on your lips, on your eyes. They are pretty multi-usable. Then on top first, I am going in with the Sephora lip stain. I just love the color just by itself. I mean, it is a little bit cool tone, but it looks so chic. It is that perfect shade of chic nude. But as always, I will put something on top of it as well to mix in. So for that, I'm using that Lancome one. And to set our face, I will use the Morphe setting spray. I quite like this setting spray. And that is all for today. I really liked majority of whatever I have tried today. The eyeshadow palettes, the foundation, it is looking incredible on my skin. I don't know if the camera is being able to pick up. And the eyeshadows are like, oh my goodness, they are so creamy, so buttery, beautiful. The shade of lipsticks I am impressed with. It is on point. And the highlighter is, oh wow, beautiful. Meherun has just found a new favorite highlight, it seems. I will see you guys on next Tuesday. Stay blessed and beautiful.